I have my timer here. I also have a mirror. And I also have some tissues in case I drool. So I have had my pushy in the fridge for 20 minutes. So I'm just going to go and get that out now. And let's start do this and see how we go with it. Yeah. Okay. So guys, here we are. I've got one white and one purple. I've got to open these and I've got 30 seconds to combine them into a solid purple colour. No white in it, no marbling, no streaks, just a solid purple colour. And that was on the advice from the staff at Instasmile, who gave me loads of tips, loads of help on what I should be doing. So the tray, that's the upper tray. It's got the palette part there, as you can see. And the lower tray is like a horseshoe. So their advice to me was, when I'm lining this up in my mouth, I must line it up with the second slot. My front teeth must be at the second slot. That way it should give a good impression of my gum line. Yeah, so right, let's try this. Let's give it a go. Let's see what it's all about. Oh, oops. Let's put that timer back on. So I'm going to attempt to do my upper one first. And see how we get on with that. So I'm starting my timer now and I've got 30 seconds. They told me to be very, very vigorous with it. Be as rough as I want it. Anyone annoyed me or frustrated me, take that frustration out. It has got to be a solid purple colour. And yes, I am against the clock because I have 30 seconds. However, they have informed me should I need it, I can go to 40. But I think, whoops, I think that's looking quite good now. No white in it whatsoever. It's solid purple and we're on 32, so we'll stop. So, shape it like an egg, as so, or thereabouts, American football, something like that. Something similar to that. Put it in the top of the tray, and again, it's all to do with timing. It's got to get into my mouth as quickly as possible. It doesn't matter if there's a bit of a gap at the back, apparently, because we don't cover the back teeth. So here we go. So just going to turn you a little bit while I try and line my teeth up with these two slots. It's going to look horrible now for 3 minutes, but it'll be worth it. Ooh. They look quite good, I think. I don't know, I'm guessing. They let me know, I'll send them a photograph of it.